Hey loves, Trish here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're diving into the world of DIY hair care with a nourishing deep conditioner hair mask that promotes healthy hair growth, repairs damaged hair, restores and locks in moisture. So whether your hair is dry, damaged, weak, or need a little TLC and you're looking for a natural way to revitalize your hair, this hair mask is what your hair needs and you'll be happy the way your hair will feel after using it. So without further ado, let's jump right into making this beautiful, nourishing, and moisturizing protein treatments. So to make this nourishing hair growth deep conditioner, we will need this simple but powerful ingredient that you might already have in your kitchen. These ingredients are great on their own, but when combined together will give your hair that deep moisture, nourishment, shine, and protection for a healthy hair growth. So now that we have our ingredients all ready, let's get started. My first ingredient is the avocado. Avocado is rich in vitamins and healthy fats. It nourishes and adds shine to the hair. It promotes hair strength and prevents the hair from breaking. This encourages length retention. It is a great source of biotin. The vitamin A and biotin in banana can contribute to a natural shine to the hair, while the potassium helps strengthen the hair strands, thereby reducing hair breakage. So I'm going in now with the coconut oil. Coconut oil has the ability to penetrate the hair shafts, providing deep condition and moisture to dry and damaged hair. It prevents protein loss, promotes hair growth, helps to tame frizz and combat dandruff. Okay, so you can alternate this with any other oil of your choice if you are allergic to coconut oil, or you can just skip it. Next is castor oil, known for stimulating hair growth and moisturizing dry and irritated scalp. Olive oil has the ability to condition and soften dry hair. It adds strength to the hair follicle and repairs damaged hair. This helps in stronger hair and lesser hair fall. Honey is a natural humectant that attracts and retains moisture. It adds shine to the hair and promotes hair elasticity. So it has the ability to lock in moisture. And my final ingredient is the egg. The egg yolk provides protein, which strengthens the hair follicle and repairs the hair. Okay, so at this point, you can go ahead and add any essential oil of your choice. It's optional, just for fragrance, but I'm not using any for this video. Okay, so I blended everything together, though I kind of struggle with the blending, but it all came out nice. I'm using this wig cap to catch any lump of anything that didn't blend well. Because of the presence of the banana, it tends to leave residue on the hair, so I don't want to take chances. Okay, so after blending, it should have this smooth and creamy consistency. There you have it, a DIY deep conditioner mask for healthy hair growth. Hey loves, let me know in the comment section if you have tried this protein treatment before and how it made your hair feel. And also, if you haven't used it before but would love to give it a try, please let me know in the comment section. So to apply this treatment on your hair, it is important to start with a clean, damp hair. So if your hair is dirty at this point, you should go ahead and shampoo your hair so the conditioner will have a smooth ground to work on. My hair is freshly washed, so you want to section out your hair and then evenly distribute this treatment to all parts of your hair. And don't forget the ends of your hair, because that's the weakest and the oldest part of your hair. So they need all the love and care they can get from this protein treatment. Okay, and when you're done, you make sure to comb out your hair, which I do. I always comb out my hair, and then you massage the scalp just to stimulate the flow of blood, and that will help with hair growth. At this point, I was being economical with the treatment, but after covering my whole head of hair with this treatment, I came back to this place, and this one, and gave it enough marks, and immediately my curls were defined even better. See, after using this nourishing protein treatment, your hair will experience a different kind of softness and shine to it. This mask does not only promote healthy hair growth, it also leaves your hair feeling incredibly smooth, moisturized, and your damaged hair would experience, kind of come back to life. Do you get? So after everything, I covered my hair for like an hour, 20 minutes, yeah. But you can leave this on for like 30 to 45 minutes, okay? I covered my hair for like 120 minutes and use the nylon just to trap in the heat, okay? And this will help the nutrient to penetrate into the hair strand and work its magic. Then I went ahead to wash off my hair with a lukewarm water. But you can also go ahead with a shampoo and the conditioner treatment after this, just to make sure there are no residues left on your hair, okay? So my battery died, hence the change of position, and my hair felt a little bit dried, so I covered it again with water. But I think I'm regretting it. I hope you enjoyed this video and give it a try. And remember, let me know in the comment section your experience with this mask if you have used it in the past, okay? And that's all for today's video. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more hair care tips and DIY recipes. Comment in the comment section and share with your family and friends, okay? Until next time, thank you so much for watching this video. Your love and support means so much to me. Bye.